Flooding in Victoria in October and November of 2022 caused devastation across the state, inundating homes, properties, businesses and farmland. ERV is coordinating recovery efforts across the state. Working directly with impacted communities, government and industry, we enable effective and timely support to help communities recover. Due to the scale of the impact, the cleanup program is delivering across multiple phases. ERV is supporting local councils with flood debris and waste collection. Councils lead this work and communicate with residents about collection in their area. We provide logistical support, collect the debris and waste, and take this to an appropriate waste management facility. ERV is working with Disaster Relief Australia to coordinate volunteers to help muck out homes inundated with water. This assists community members to access cleanup services through activities such as removing debris left by floodwaters from inside a structure and moving flood-damaged household items to the curbside so they can be collected as part of the program. We are providing an opt-in, free, all-hazard structural assessment for affected residents and property owners. The assessment is conducted by an independent qualified contractor and identifies hazards such as asbestos or mould. The assessment also provides advice about the state of the structure, how it should be managed, and whether it is eligible for other support under the program. We are providing a concierge service to assist residents in registering for cleanup services. ERV is providing make-safe works to residential and small business structures that are uninsured and deemed repairable through the Structural Assessment Program. These works will remove identified hazards so that property owners can safely commence any necessary flood repairs. ERV removes structures recommended for demolition through the all-hazard assessment. This is done free of charge and regardless of insurance status where the property owner requests this service. This means that property owners can then focus their efforts and resources on their rebuild. Just like the all-hazard assessments, make-safe works and demolition are opt-in. Property owners do not have to progress with these services. They can use the structural assessment report to provide information to their insurance provider or builder and conduct their own demolition and repair work. ERV is working with Parks Victoria to clean and repair flood-damaged parks so that visitors can safely enjoy the natural environment and regional communities can benefit from the tourism revenue generated by visitation to parks. We bring our experience, resources and capability to offer a streamlined and coordinated approach to clean-up that improves efficiency and delivers value for money. ERV is supporting voluntary committees of management to clean up the land reserve they manage. As many as 300 Crown land reserves managed by voluntary committees of management have been impacted by the flooding in late 2022. These reserves can include public halls and recreation reserves, often in regional areas, and provide local values. The cleanup program is central to these efforts, responding to devastating flooding that occurred across Victoria in October and November of 2022. Cleanup program is essential because it helps get communities back on their feet. It can be the start of the recovery journey, particularly for property owners that have been inundated by floodwaters in late 2022. Most importantly, the cleanup program is opt-in. So this means that people get to choose their own recovery journey and opt into the program when they are ready and it works for them.